When new regulations are enforced, organizations are expected to adjust their business practices in line with the newly appointed provisions enacted by their local governments, which are usually placed to ensure that private individuals are protected and treated fairly. Data privacy regulations are important in ensuring that residents and citizens of a specific jurisdiction are protected from their personal information being compromised or exposed, and the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation is no different. Privacy by default and privacy by design are central to the philosophy of the GDPR, so it is essential that these concepts be incorporated within the infrastructure of a reliable, secure, and efficient information management system. With decades of experience in providing a state-of-the-art information management solution, therefore supports organizations in upholding their compliance to the key requirements of the GDPR, protecting them from data breaches and heavy fines. So what are the features, attributes, and capabilities of Therefore that can help organizations to achieve this? Under the GDPR, data security and privacy of data subjects are given high priority. With Therefore, specific categories and documents can be configured to only permit access to authorized users with full audit reporting. The unified Therefore system can also restrict important documents and relevant media files that are stored in its repository. The new regulations also grant greater rights for data subjects to access the personal data retained by an organization through the application of a subject access request. Once a data subject has submitted their application, organizations are required to respond with the individual's details within a 30-day period. Efficient access and automated reminders can relinquish the burden of time-consuming processes within an electronic storage environment. A private individual also has the right to request for their information to be erased from a company's systems under the regulation's right to be forgotten provision. With Therefore, data can be efficiently exported or deleted from the system when necessary. And with an automated electronic information management system, reminders can be set to alert staff when a document needs to be deleted from their systems. The GDPR also has some strict guidelines on the protection of data when transferring personal information to third-party organizations, including those outside of the European Union and the European Economic Area. Therefore's tools and innate privacy by design characteristics help organizations transfer this information to third parties in either proprietary or open file types with customizable permission settings. Retention schedule management can also be set in Therefore. This is because all documents in the system can be configured to have appropriate retention schedules. The schedules can be activated based on time or following a cutoff instruction, for example, when a service to a customer ends or once a staff member leaves their organization. This process is fully documented in a system-wide audit trail. One of the key features of Therefore is the ability to process documents through a workflow. These capabilities can help businesses streamline their processes within the framework of GDPR compliance, such as by creating workflows for subject access requests, exporting data to third-party organizations, reporting data breaches, and managing the retention of personal information. Finally, Therefore's mobile capabilities allow users to access documents on the go through applications available on Android and iOS devices. This means that following GDPR compliance protocols can be put into effect independent of the workplace or a stationary device. Therefore, software solutions have been verified and certified as following the concepts of privacy by design and privacy by default by the German data protection auditor Ebner Stolz. This enables an effective management of data in accordance to GDPR regulations, thus making Therefore the perfect solution for organizations to comply with the new regulation.